Hey, what's up, Dividend Nomads? I just woke up and I saw my portfolio got hit pretty hard last night. Looks like the market took a dump last night. I just woke up, so I don't know what the news is yet. I haven't checked it yet, but I'm guessing it's more market manipulation, probably around tariffs. I'm gonna show you my portfolio today, show you how bad it got hit. I'm also gonna share with you my dividends and stuff. But what I say about this market manipulation, what I mean is a pattern I've noticed with this presidency. When the market seems to be at all-time highs, there seems to be some news that comes out usually about tariffs, and then the market dumps. And then what happens is all of these people pile in, or they've shorted the market, but they usually pile in, and then the tariffs all of a sudden disappear, they get canceled or something happened, they get delayed, get some type of leniency, and then the market takes off. And then those who got in at the bottom, got rich, or they shorted in advance and got rich on the way down and then bought in and then get rich on the way back up. It seems to be the pattern. I've noticed this happen quite a few times with this presidency. So I'm guessing something like that is what's going on again. I could be wrong. But anyway, forget all that. Let's dive into the phone, check out the portfolio. And I did buy some stuff this morning when I saw the market was down. And then I'll take you into the spreadsheet and share with you what it's looking like so far as my payments go and stuff like that. So let's record the screen. 3, 2, 1, bam. We're gonna open up Charles Schwab. I'm in the Roth IRA. Let me get to my regular portfolio. Okay, I'll refresh it for you guys. So again, this is 8:30 in the morning here in China. You can see the Dow was down almost 2%. The NASDAQ was almost 4%, and the S&P was almost 3% down. Right, so everything got hit pretty hard. My portfolio was down 2.5% at this moment, which is not moving now. The market's closed. So you can see 72,828. So I lost a bunch of money yesterday. And cash, I got $10,000 in cash. And I used some of that money to buy some stuff just now, actually. So let's go have a look, view all the positions. XDTE, 847. QDTE, 331. WPay, I have 200 now. I just bought some of that this morning. And we've got YBTC, 106. And then I've got 5,058 in SWVXX, which doesn't move. You see, it was unaffected by this crash thing. So that's why I like to keep money there. And then I've got another 4,968 in cash that I can deploy right now at this very moment, which brings a total of $10,000 in cash if you add the SWVXX. The difference between SWVXX and holding cash is the SWVXX, it's like a 4% or 4.2% annualized yield, but it pays every single month. So that's why I just keep money parked there, so I can take it out if I want, but I can't use it till the next day. Like if I want to sell this, it'll sell at the end of the day, and the next day that cash will be in my account. So anyway, let's go look at the spreadsheet and check out all the returns and stuff, because this is what I like to see, is the actual total returns, not just the returns that Schwab shows you. I want to see everything, my dividends and the whole 9 yards. So we're going to dive in here and check that out. Let me record my screen again. 3, 2, 1, bam. Hey. All right. So here we are. What I just showed you, and make it bigger so you guys can see. I can't see it either. WPay, 200 shares. You can see my cost is 53. XDTE, 847. QDTE, 331. YBTC, 106. I just showed you that in the portfolio. I'm just letting you guys see this, that I haven't changed any of the numbers. It's all exactly the same as it is in my portfolio, including the cost averages. I'll show you guys the bad stuff too. So yeah, so I ain't got nothing to hide here. I'm not a guru who pretends to be everything correct, So here we are at the WPay position at the top here. You can see it 190, down 190 on the market return. And anyway, look at the percentages. The market return minus 177, total return minus 0.88, because we did get one payment from them. We get another one coming soon. But yeah, but that's just a brand new position, so it's negative. It needs some time to do its thing, which is okay. XDTE, look at that. It was only down like 1.2% yesterday, or last time I checked it. And then today, after the big market dump, down 4.28%. took a big hit on that yesterday. But the total return is still positive, 4.3%, which is not bad. That's acceptable for me. But the thing is with this one, I've really been considering selling this and swapping it for WPay. And I know you're thinking it's crazy because WPay is negative, but this is brand new to this portfolio and it takes time to get going. But the thing is, when you have these big market dumps like we just had, to get this 4.28% back, this is going to take a long time because this fund is capped on the upside. It doesn't go up as fast. So it's going to take a whole lot of dividends and a long bull market for this to gradually creep up. And with WPay, because the funds here in WPay are leveraged, it dropped yesterday by a big percentage, which is negative now. It was positive, but it can gain this back in one day. If the market opens up on Monday and everything goes up like 2 or 3%, this will go up 2.5% instead of 2% or something like that, right? It's going to go up even more because it's leveraged. So you can recover just like that. With this one, you need a long runway to recover. I've been trying to recover since the tariff news back in April or March for this one, and it's still not recovered yet. So you need a long runway. So I might cut that thing. QDTE, minus 2.4 market return. This was positive as well. Now total returns 14%, so it's still pretty good there. This one though, man, XDTE, I really like it, but at the same time, I'm debating on cutting this thing. We'll see. YBTC, we're up 29.91% total return and 4.63 market return. So this one's doing okay. No complaints there. I'm really trying to decide what to do with these, to be honest with you. Like the XDTE does pay very consistently, and it's very consistent for the most part. It doesn't really take, it doesn't go up very much, but it doesn't really go down a whole lot. Like it went down less than the markets. So, I don't know. I'm debating on it because I do enjoy the consistency, but yeah, we'll see, man. I'm still debating on what to do there. I do have a large percentage here. You see, like this is my WPay 13%. This is XDT 47%. And we got 14% in QDTE and 5.7% in Bitcoin or YBTC. So yeah, I'd like to get this to 10%. And this one, I might have to at least trim it. I don't know. Anyway, let's go check out the dividend log. In the dividend log, we did receive some money from WPay. We got $96 from them. Let me get everything on the screen here. There we go. Okay, so we got $96 from WPay. We're going to get some more payments coming very soon. Should be 3 more payments this month, so that'd be good. XDTE, $321 so far this month. Again, if this sticks around the portfolio, we'll get more payments from that as well. QDTE, $136 this month. And YBTC has paid $82 this month, which we're still expecting a lot of payments. I'll check the calendar here. Let's see how many more payments we're going to get. So here's October. What's today? Today is the 11th. Where is that at? Oh, it's over here. So anyway, on Friday, we have 1, 2, 3 more Fridays. So we're going to get 3 more payments from XCT, QDTE. Thursday is YBTC, so 3 more. So that's 6 payments. WPay, also 3 more. So we're going to get 9 more payments this month before we receive our money. So 9 more payments. We got plenty of room to make some money here. Right now, we're at 6. Well, it disappeared. Right now, we're at 635 for the month. So 9 more payments. It should bring us well above this number we had last month. Probably maybe $1,500 or so. We'll see. We don't know how much payment's going to be. If the market keeps dipping too, I might buy some other stuff. I got my eye on a few things. I'm looking at some single stock, like to boost this income a little bit more. But if I do take part in a single stock, like say for an HOOW, for example, or POTW, something like that, it'll be a very small percentage. I'm not going to go heavy on it because I'll try to keep this portfolio a little bit consistent and less volatile, but it does help to have something, very volatile to add a little bit more yield. But yeah, it won't be a mega allocation. It must be a couple percent in the portfolio, not a lot. So we might do that, might play with that, but I'm still waiting for a better opportunity to buy. So that's what happened in my portfolio. Let me know how your portfolio is doing in this time, and I look forward to seeing that in the comments below. Join the Discord; it's free. And if there's a problem with the link, I don't know why. Sometimes there's some problems with the links. Just leave a comment, like let me in the Discord or something like that, and I'll shoot you a link personally, so you'll get a fresh link in case the other one doesn't work. So anyway, see you guys on the next video. Y'all take care.